Hi everyone, yesterday I done a video to show you some of the data to show you why I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Today, I'll use technical analysis to show you why I think Bitcoin is most likely to get to 100k. Stay tuned.
Price action currently is still very bearish anyway. You know, we're seeing a lot of selling still here. And now 1 or 2 weeks buying. I think maybe we're gonna see around 35, 36 area and then drop lower to test this 20,000 area. Okay, why 20,000 is important? Because you can see previously the previous high in 2017, 20k, it smashed through in 2020. Now I think it's likely to test. However, I think the 20,000 may not hold and then spike down to around this 14-15k, which will be the area that I am intending to buy more. I would try 20,000, but maybe when I buy in 20, I will protect my entry, and if it kicks me out, then I'll buy a lot more around this 14-15,000 area. Okay, if you are buying it at 14-15, how would you buy it? I think I would buy around 60% because I quite like this area and be quite aggressive around this area. If it daily make a double bottom, I might buy the breakout and then lock my entry in here or protect some of it. So if according to plan, if you buy anything under 20k, about 16,000, what is the potential return? I think, you know, it would be good to aim for about 100k area. I think why 100k? 100k is a big, you know, it's a big psychological number, and technically we do have the momentum to do that if we follow the monthly trend. So let me show you how to do that. So monthly chart, you see when the correction end in 2018, it tried to push up and then eventually gone to 68. If we use the trend line and try and measure it around the 15k, if the bottom is 15k, you can see the potential upside is huge. It's over 200k. But obviously I would personally manage it, may take some profit or lock in some profit around 100k. We will use the whole market condition as a guide.